What if I told you that a single vitamin could be the key to not just maintaining, but potentially transforming your eye health permanently? Ever thought about what the secret ingredient might be to keeping your eyes sharp and healthy? You might be surprised to find out that it's not some high-tech gadget or fancy supplement, but a simple vitamin you likely already have in your kitchen. This powerhouse vitamin plays a vital role in maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Let's explore how it works. First, it protects the cornea, the clear front part of your eye. Without enough of this vitamin, your cornea can dry out and get damaged. It's also crucial for your retina, the light-sensitive part of your eye that converts light into signals your brain can understand. This vitamin keeps the retina functioning properly. This vitamin is also a key component of rhodopsin, a protein that helps your eyes adapt to low-light conditions. Without it, you might find yourself struggling to see in the dark. And there's more. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant, shielding your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. This means it helps prevent age-related issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. It even boosts your immune system, helping to fight off eye infections and other diseases that can affect your vision. While many people rely on glasses, contacts, or surgeries, there's a powerful, natural way to support and enhance vision. Vitamin A is essential for eye health and can prevent or even reverse certain eye conditions when taken consistently. Emphasize its role in protecting the cornea, improving low-light vision, and acting as an antioxidant to prevent age-related eye problems. The best natural sources of vitamin A, such as liver, fish liver oil, eggs, dairy products, and orange-yellow fruits and vegetables, like carrots and sweet potatoes. Benefits of maintaining adequate vitamin A levels, including the prevention of night blindness, cataracts, and macular degeneration. While vitamin A is powerful, it's part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular eye checkups. If you're ready to take your eye health into your own hands, start by adding more vitamin A to your diet today. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and vibrant.